So, good day everyone. So, I'm Adrian Hariol and this is my partner Javigail Diagbel. And we are from U83A. So, for today's video, we are tackling about a movie, How to Make a Million Before Grandma Dies. So, this movie is from Thailand and I think it is released in 2024. I'm not so sure in the month, but I'm sure it's 2024. So we have some questions here. So the first question is, how does the movie How to Make a Million Before Grandma Dies depict the concept of a good life?
Sa movie nga, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, ang good life dito is represent through ambition, family ties, and happiness. And ginapakita sa video nga, ang fulfillment daw is dili lang siya about wealth, but about po siya sa family relationship. And ginapakita ko dito nga, ang true happiness daw is makita siya through success in life. How about you?
So for me, sa pagkala ko sa movie, no, actually nakarelate dito atong main character na sometimes dili na ako ikakabantayan na sige na dahil kung sa akong mga gadgets and I don't really have time to talk to my parents or to my families, but the good thing sa movie is I realized that the real achievement in life is not only by being rich someday or achieve your goals, but also to make a bond with your family and to make a good relationship before you can have one anymore. So the second question is, which philosopher's perspective on the good life is reflecting in the movie?
Based on my understanding, Aristotle's perspective ang nag-reflect sa movie because he emphasized about the eudaimonia or human flourishing or the happiness. And for example, the sa movie is gina-emphasize dito ang family relationship, and Aristotle believed that if a person is naka-experience of happiness or contentment in life, it means nga they have good relationship with their friends and families.
Thank you. So, for me naman, I agree with you that it's Aristotle's perspective ang gina-portray sa movie or sa film, and I think because Aristotle believed that everyone has a potential to achieve their goals in their life. So, and I think everyone has a goal in their life. Like me, gusto ko po dato ko. So, but also Aristotle believes that we should use that potential to make a good relationship with our loved ones. So, Aristotle believes that not only having a good life someday is the achievement that we can achieve in our life, but also having a good relationships with our loved ones, especially with our families and our parents who raised us. So that's it. Thank you. So the third and the last question is, what does a good life mean to you personally? Which philosopher's viewpoint aligns with your definition of a good life and why?
For me, having a good life is about being happy, since it includes feeling fulfilled, content, and having a purpose in life. And ang nag-align sa akong perspective kay kang Aristotle because he believed that good life is one that maximizes happiness and satisfies human potential.
So for me naman, I believe also that my perspective of having a good life aligns with Aristotle's belief, because Aristotle believed that you can have a good life if you have a good relationship with your loved ones and you live happily together. But I also believe that you can be happy together without money, you know. So we should achieve our goals, to become successful and become wealthy someday. Because example, asawa ko, you love kay nako siya. And so ano yung pagkuha ng good relationship if galisod mo, you know. Yeah. And yeah, I believe that both you can be happy with having a good relationships, at the same time having a good life. Thank you.